How to delete WhatsApp call logs on Android. This tutorial shows you how to clear your call history in WhatsApp on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the Calls tab at the top of the screen. From there, if you want to delete a single call log, press and hold on the call entry you want to remove. At this point, tap on Delete to remove that specific call from your log. In the next step, if you want to clear your entire call history at once, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Following this, tap on Clear Call Log from the options that appear. Once done, a confirmation prompt will appear. Tap OK or Delete to confirm. Finally, all your WhatsApp call logs will be completely cleared and your Calls tab will be empty. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you clear your call history, give it a like. Subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.